In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank landing page with kit.com. By the end, you'll have a completely empty canvas ready for your own design, copy, and embeds, without any preset sections getting in the way. Start on your Kit dashboard. From here, look to the navigation and click Grow. This is where Kit groups tools that help you build your audience and conversions. Inside Grow, select Landing Pages and Forms. This takes you to the area where all your pages and forms live and where you'll spin up something new. Click Create New, then choose Landing Page. Even though our goal is a blank page, we'll begin with a template because Kit starts pages from templates. On the next screen, click Choose Your Template. You'll see a gallery of designs. It doesn't matter which one you pick for this workflow. Choose any option you like, ideally something simple because we're about to remove every element. Confirm by clicking Choose and the editor will open. Now it's time to clear the canvas. In the page editor, click on the first visible section, often the hero area at the top. Look for the delete or trash icon and remove it. Continue working your way down the page, selecting and deleting each section, text blocks, images, buttons, forms, testimonials, everything. If the template uses grouped blocks or rows, remove the container first, which will take its child elements with it. If you see a section highlight when you hover, that's your cue you're targeting the whole block rather than just a single element. Don't forget global pieces. Some templates include a header or footer by default. Use the editor's controls to remove those as well so nothing remains on the page. If a component seems locked, try selecting the outermost layer in the hierarchy panel, then delete from there. Keep going until the editor shows an empty state with no visible sections on the canvas. At this point, you've effectively created a blank landing page. What you're left with is a clean slate that respects your site's base settings, like default background color, but contains no content. This makes it perfect for custom layouts, embeds, or highly specific designs you plan to build from scratch. That's the entire process. Open Grow, go to Landing Pages and Forms, create a new landing page, pick any template, choose it, and then remove every element. You're ready to design on your terms, starting from zero.